Taking a quick look at Polkadot on the daily chart, we had a nice little pullback over here. Right now, price has recovered that 200 moving average on the daily chart. What I like to do, I like to measure this particular pullback and compare it to other pullbacks in the chart's history to look for 𝗪𝗔 support. I'm going to use my trend-based fib extension, clicking from that pivot high, pivot low, projecting to that new recent high. One more time, pivot high, pivot low, projecting. One last time, pivot high, pivot low, projecting. What this chart is telling me is that there may be some potential support right at that level around 25.89. I'm not saying this particular support is definitely going to hold. I'm going to also use my Fibonacci retracements, pulling from that pivot low to pivot high. You can see we do have a 50% retracement slightly below that cluster 𝗪𝗔 support that we just put out. Now let's jump down to an hourly chart, see where price is trading at. This is how we develop a case against the chart. We do have price trading below that 200 moving average. Now I like this chart a little bit better than the one that I reviewed yesterday, simply because right now, currently, this is still a higher low. This is not something I will participate in right away. It's up to you. Some people are more adventurous. They will look for that trigger on the 15-minute time frame. They're saying, hey, if I start to get a bounce out of this particular zone, I like to go long. You can see right here on the 15-minute. So we do have that 8 moving average crossing against that 34 to the upside. If you want to go long on Polkadot, non-financial advice, you just pick up some Polkadot with the correct position sizing, but you gotta set your stop below this cluster's potential support. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button, trying to get to 1,000 subs. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Good to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.